Hi, I'm Sarita Subramaniam.
And I'm PV Subramaniam.
We are from Earth Brigade Foundation, an NGO based in Mumbai.
This is the harshest part of the summer, and there's an acute shortage of water in the Indian forests. Animals need to travel from pillar to post to get their daily quota of drinking water. To mitigate this, we have started Project Aquarius, which provides solar pumps to provide drinking water for wild animals.
Water is life. Every living creature on this planet is dependent on water. Humans, however, are the largest consumers of water. We have total dominance over Earth's resources. We dam rivers, create artificial lakes, and plunder groundwater. Yet, millions of humans still struggle for water. So, what happens to wildlife? Obviously, there is an acute water scarcity in many forests. The causes? Human-induced climate change, drying up of waterholes due to the massive groundwater extraction for industry and agriculture, and diversion of river systems. The traditional migratory corridors used by animals to move from one dry area to another water-bearing area is blocked by human development, roads, railway lines, industries, etc. In the peak Indian summer, wild animals move towards human habitation in search of water, bringing them into conflict with humans. This is where Project Aquarius of Earth Brigade Foundation steps in. It provides drinking water for wildlife inside the forests across India. Drinking water in their preferred habitats so that the wildlife can remain and sustain within their territories. Under Project Aquarius, solar-operated groundwater pumps are installed inside borewells in the forests. These pumps draw groundwater to the surface, replenishing existing waterholes. The availability of water also helps in developing microhabitats to sustain the ecosystem in an eco-friendly manner. The staff from the forest departments who selflessly guard our forests also benefit. They too get access to drinking water instead of sourcing it from far-flung water bodies. As the installations are solar-based, these are long-term, renewable, sustainable, and pollution-free, and definitely a better alternative to the fossil fuel-consuming tankers that used to provide water. Earth Brigade Foundation believes in rendering direct benefits to wildlife. And of course, the positive effects percolate down to humans.
In some of the area, this water is also used for in the habitat development, especially the grasslands where this may be used for irrigation of the such grasslands where the grass may come up to support the herbivore population on which the carnivores thrive.
They have been working for welfare of wildlife. When I was working as Chief Wildlife Warden Rajasthan, they supported our idea of providing water at critical areas like Sariska.
They are really the soldiers of fighting against climate change.
So far, Earth Brigade Foundation has provided over 100 installations in forests across India. The installations cover 7 states and most of them are in tiger-bearing reserves. We are seeking your support to the tune of Rs 5 crores for the 100 installations to be done over the next 2 years. We are hoping to provide drinking water for lakhs of wild animals, thousands of forest guards living in these remote areas. We hope to minimize human-wildlife conflict, improve our degraded forests, and minimize carbon emissions. Water, as you know, is a basic necessity. We hope to provide drinking water through these solar installations. We are asking this support simply because our wildlife cannot.